Next week, baby, Nashville. What's up, everybody? Jared here from Manatee Pressure Washer Supply and Repair. Next week is the huge convention, and last year the huge convention was in Atlanta. Fantastic event. We are super excited that this year is going to be in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you haven't bought your tickets, you better get them because it's gonna be hot. Oh man, I'm super excited to be there. We're gonna be at the convention this year, running the booth with Panhandle, Power Wash Supply, and the Hose Company. We'll also be chilling with the guys at Gold Assassin, our homies at C3. Oh, they're gonna have a sick booth. It's gonna be dope. And then, and of course, our guys at Bandit. PSI's got a nice setup that's gonna be there too. So if you haven't been, and you're looking to go, this is your chance. You need to go. Okay, this is your video message that's coming in hot to let you know you need to be there. But if you want to come out and hang out with us, it is such a good time just to get together with guys, get to know other guys, see what's new in the industry, learn some techniques, learn some skills. But honestly, I believe the biggest benefit is hanging out with friends, building relationships with other guys that do what we do, that have the struggles that we have, and kind of help us to just continue to move forward, every day in our businesses. So it's going to be fantastic. The next thing that I wanted to kind of bring up to you guys is as soon as we get back from Nashville at the huge convention in October, we're going to be having our paver sealing event, and that's going to be our first training event. It's going to be fantastic. We're partnered up with ICT, and we're going to have some influential movers in the paver sealing industry there hanging out, giving us some techniques, some tips. We're going to be doing on-site training, certifications, the whole 9 yards. Food will be provided for both days. I've got a food truck coming in. My buddy Rob, who owns Williams, is going to be bringing that thing over. So $50 is the cost for those tickets. If you want to be on there, it's the end of October. You can register for that on our website. We got the link right here below. But it's definitely something that you're going to want to see. It's going to be something that you're going to want to come and be a part of because, again, building the relationships is huge. And this event is going to be unique because it's going to be on-site training and on-site hands-on techniques that are going to provide you value in paver sealing and help you to be able to add, either a higher ticket cost to your build or to your setups or to your customers and to your acquisition, or it's going to help you, to hone in on better techniques and better skills that you learn from not only the trainers but also your peers that are also there hanging out. So going to be a lot of cool guys there. The cost on that's $50 per person. It's fantastic. Lunch will be provided with that for both of those days. So it's going to be a really good event, and we're really looking forward to that. Man, anything else that's going on, we'll keep you guys posted. Looking forward to seeing you next week. And then if you can't make it to next week, look forward to coming to our paver sealing event in October. It's going to be a blast, man. We're just super excited to hang out with guys, build relationships, and continue to train and develop more skills as a whole. So that way we can all continue to do more and help more people. So I hope to see you guys there. Take it easy. Peace.